Hello and welcome back to Draw with Boba. Today we'll be drawing Banban from Garten of Banban. It's going to be a pretty simple drawing. You want to get your white sheet of paper and your pen to start. And then let's start off with the face. Let's go right around here and start from the top and then draw a line all the way down to this point. And we want to repeat on the other side, around the same area, go down. And they're both at a little bit of an angle. This will give us our head shape to start. And then all we want to do is add a little U right here. And then we're going to go up just a little bit, extend the U. And then let's do a line across. This is going to allow us to do the little party hats on Banban. Let's go up, down to complete both party hats around the same size. And then for the details, we just want to add in these stripes. Cross and repeat on the other side. Stripes. Like so. It's going to be the top of the head. And we have the head almost done. Let's extend the head just a little lower to here. It's looking good. And let's draw some big cute eyes. One right here. And one right here. And with your eyes done, let's add in the black. And we just need a little highlight. And let's color in the black for eyes. Once you're done with that, let's add in a big smile right above, like so. Give him a big tongue and complete the smile. Let's color in a little bit of the black towards the top. And then a little line for the tongue. It's looking good. Let's see what we could do with the arms. Let's actually draw a little bit of the body. Let's give it a little chibi look. Let's give it the body on both sides. And then let's do another U, but reverse this time. And this will allow us to draw in the legs. And let's extend the leg as far down as possible. And give it one leg, two leg, and connect. And a little bit of a detail to separate. And let's start with the arms. We're going to curve out for the shoulder. Go down to this point. Bulge out and in. Bulge out and in. And let's give it some bulby fingers, like so. And repeat the same on the other side. Line, down, bulb, bulb, and then one finger, two finger, three fingers. And I believe this is it. Let's clean up the drawing just a little bit before we add color. Looking good. Now once your drawing is done, we can play with the color. Grab your favorite markers and let's get coloring. Since he's mainly red, let's start off with the red. And there you have it, Banban from Garten of Banban. Thank you so much for watching, and if you have suggestions for any other videos, please leave it in comments down below, and I'll see you in the next one.